Imagine a small team of 5 developers creating a sprawling galaxy with thousands of planets, each teeming with unique life and secrets to uncover. This used to be the stuff of fantasy, a dream exclusive to mega-rich studios with hundreds of employees, but not anymore. Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, indie developers are breaking down the barriers of traditional game development and going toe-to-toe with the industry giants. For years, the gaming landscape was dominated by AAA studios with massive budgets and armies of developers. These companies churned out blockbuster titles with cutting-edge graphics and massive marketing campaigns, leaving little room for smaller studios to compete. However, a new era is dawning. AI is leveling the playing field, giving indie developers access to powerful tools that were once out of reach. This revolution is not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. AI is freeing indie developers from tedious and time-consuming tasks, allowing them to focus on the heart and soul of their games: innovative gameplay, compelling stories, and unique experiences. The result? A tidal wave of groundbreaking indie titles that are captivating players and challenging the status quo. One of the most significant advantages AAA studios held was their ability to throw massive resources at content creation. Huge teams of artists, designers, and programmers spent years building vast game worlds, intricate levels, and countless assets. This created a seemingly insurmountable barrier for indie developers working with limited time and resources. However, AI is changing the game with a revolutionary technology called procedural content generation. Procedural content generation, or PCG, is a powerful tool that allows developers to create game content algorithmically. Instead of handcrafting every detail, they can define a set of rules and parameters and let the AI generate the rest. This technology empowers small teams to create massive and varied game worlds that would be impossible to build manually. Imagine a game where every playthrough offers a unique world to explore, with different landscapes, dungeons, and quests generated on the fly. This is the power of PCG in the hands of indie developers. One shining example of PCG in action is the indie darling, No Man's Sky, developed by the small team at Hello Games. This ambitious space exploration game features a staggering 18 quintillion procedurally generated planets, each with its own unique flora, fauna, and resources. This groundbreaking achievement would have been impossible without the power of AI, showcasing the potential of PCG to create truly massive and diverse game worlds.